What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to advertise your Snapchat story on your story. Now that may sound confusing what I just said, but you may have seen around some people posting on their stories that you could just join their story, and you might want to find out how to do this. In order to do that, you just take a picture as normal and then hit the icon third from the bottom on the toolbar. And then you're going to see all the way to the right in the upper right hand corner, there's an option for story. And once you get this taken to this screen, you'll be able to create your custom story or your private story. If you already have a custom or private story, it should show up, but I do not have any currently on this account. So I just made one and called it my story. And then you could adjust it how you see fit on the Snapchat itself. And then people will just be able to click it as they see it, and then they'll be able to join your story and see whatever you post on this story. This is a super helpful way if you don't want to manually add the people themselves, but those people could just click it themselves and then join the story and see what's up. If you found this tutorial confusing or had any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.